Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Transforming Life Workshop. Before we begin today's video session, first of all, I would like to recommend all of you, if you hadn't watched Why Pranam Part 1, then please watch that video so that you can get linked with this video. There are two spiritual benefits of doing pranam. Number one is blessing, which we understood in last video. Now number two is true knowledge, which we will understand now. True knowledge. What is called true knowledge? It is said in Vishnu Puran that Sa Vidya Ya Vimuktaye. That is knowledge which liberates, a knowledge which gives us salvation, which gives us moksha is a true knowledge. A knowledge which makes us free from the cycle of birth and death is called a true knowledge. Now, how to get such true knowledge? So Lord Krishna says to Arjun in Srimad Bhagavad Gita that tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te gnanam gnaninas tattvadarshinaha. Hey Arjun, if you want to seek knowledge from the great scholars, you should do pranam to them. You should ask questions with curiosity. You should serve them with devotion. Here in this shloka, the first step to get true knowledge is shown as pranam. Pranipatena, which means pranam. Dear friends, we all know the compelling legend of Bhakta Dhruv. It's a long story, but I will narrate it briefly. Dhruv was a son of King Uttanpad. King Uttanpad had two wives, Suruchi and Suniti. Dhruv was the son of Suniti and Uttam was the son of Suruchi. Suruchi was much dear to King Uttanpad. One day, Uttam was playing in the lap of his father, King Uttanpad. At the same time, Dhruv also came to sit in the lap of his father. But his jealous stepmother, Suruchi, severely abused Dhruva, and she did not allow Dhruva to sit in the lap of his father, King Uttanpad. Dhruva got heartbroken. He began to cry and came to his mother. He asked to his mother, why this partiality? His mother Suniti tried to console him with loving words, but Dhruv remained so sensitive. Later, his mother inspired him to please Lord Vishnu with penance. Dhruv left his palace and went to the jungle alone to do penance. He was just 5 years old at the time. On his way, he came across with a great sage, Naradji. Seeing Naradji in front of him, Dhruv bowed down to him, did pranam to him. Naradji pleased a lot by the humbleness of Dhruv. Naradji guided him on how to please Lord Vishnu by penance and chanting. Naradji gave him a powerful mantra for chanting, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. By the enlightenment of Naradji, within just short period of 5 months, Dhruv got the divine darshan of Lord Vishnu. He did pranam and offered prayer to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu asked him to ask for a boon. But by the chanting of God's name, he forgot all worldly desires and he asked nothing, even though Lord Vishnu blessed him a boon. Dhruv became a king and ruled the world for 36,000 years. Later he became the star of the universe which rises in north. If we analyze the root cause of enlightenment of Dhruv, then we find a small act of pranam which made Naradji to bless him. It is said in scripture that bhaktya hi tushyanti mahanubhavaha. It means that great people don't get just pleased by the service offered to them. They get pleased by the humbleness and devotion. So my dear friends, if you want blessings and true knowledge in your life, then let's do pranam every day to our parents, elders, saints and God, so that we can make our life happy, prosperous and peaceful. And remember, just by watching such kind of videos, your life will never transform. Transformation always begins with implementation, not just by information. So let's implement pranam and transform our life. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan.